On your Android phone, you might have saved some numbers, but later, if you want to delete any contacts, you can do that. In this video, we'll show you how to delete a contact from your Android phone. For this, open the Contacts app. You'll see an icon like this. Tap to open the app. Once you've opened the Contacts app, select the contact you want to delete. You can find that contact here, or use the Search Contacts option at the top. Just tap on it, and you can search for the contact. For example, I'm searching for one contact I want to delete. To do this, an easy method is to long press on the contact. When you long press, you'll see a delete option. Tap on Delete. After tapping, you'll see a pop-up message like this. Here, you'll see the delete option again. Tap on Delete, and the contact will be removed. Or, you can just tap on the contact. And when you tap it, you'll land on a page like this. Here, you'll see an Edit button. Tap on this button. Once you do, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots and you'll find the Delete option. Tap on Delete. Just like before, a pop-up message will appear. Tap on Delete. Once you do, the contact will be deleted. That's how you can easily delete any contact from your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.